Hey there, Louis Jacobellis here. Thanks for stopping by. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a drop-down menu to a Wix website. Now, before I get started, if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit that thumbs up button below and be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on the latest Wix tutorials. Also, be sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram to make sure that you don't miss out on any of my new content. Last but not least, if you're interested in learning more about the tools that I use to produce these videos, check out the links in the description below. Now let's go ahead and let's get started. All right, now the first thing that you want to do in order to add a drop-down menu to a Wix website is from the actual website builder, you want to scroll up to the top and click on Menus and Pages. And then you want to click on Site Menu. Now this is where you can actually come to create your menu items and your pages and to configure the menu. Now you'll see here I have a few different elements on my menu. I have my home, I have an articles element, I have a subscribe element, I've got a series of hidden pages, and then one more published page called Tools I Use. Now you can actually rearrange your menu items just by dragging and dropping them. Okay, so you will notice that my menu consists of home, subscribe, articles, and tools I use. And again, if I click on menus and pages and site menu and I perhaps drag subscribe below articles, you can see the change made in real time. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to create a menu item in my site menu that will be used to organize a series of pages for the top products that I want to be creating content about. And the first thing that you want to do to actually create your menu is at the very bottom of your site menu, you want to click on Add a Folder. Okay, so in Wix, the drop-down menus are referred to as folders. Okay, and I am going to call this folder Best Products, and I'm going to click Done. And now what you're going to see is Best Products has been added in between my home menu item and my articles. Okay, now if I were to preview this site, okay, you're going to notice hovering over Best Products doesn't do anything without us adding additional elements or pages to that. Okay, now if I, for example, click on articles, you can see here that I can actually hyperlink down to my blog post here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we will add some pages under the Best Products menu item that we just configured. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and click Add a Page, and I'll just click on Blank Page. Okay, and now I'm going to give this page a name. So I will call this Microsoft for all of the Microsoft content that I produce, and I'll click on Done. Okay, and so you can see right now that Microsoft has been added to the highest level menu here. Now, in order to add this to our folder, what you want to do is you want to actually drag this down slightly below that menu item, and you'll now see that it has been nested under that menu item. Okay, so if I close out of the site menu, you can see that Microsoft is no longer visible. And if I go ahead and preview this and hover over Best Products, you can see here that Microsoft is displayed, and that's a page that I can actually click on. So that is how to add a drop-down menu to a Wix website. Now, if you wanted to actually remove this page or unnest it from that menu item, you can just again grab it and drag it over to the left, and you're going to see that Microsoft is now on the top level of our site navigation. Okay. Now, other things that you can do with menu items is you can nest pages under them like we just saw, or if you were to click on these three dots here, okay, you could also make a menu item a subpage. Okay, so I clicked on subpage, and you can see that Best Products is now a child of home. And if I close this, you can see it's disappeared. And if I preview it and hover over home, you can see Best Products there. But again, it doesn't currently link to anything. Okay, now if I wanted to move that drop-down menu to the top level, again, you want to click on the three dots and click Main Page. And you're now going to see that drop-down menu displayed on my top level site navigation. Okay, so that's how to add a drop-down menu. Now, the other thing that you can do with your site navigation in Wix is you can also add a link. Okay, so essentially a link will allow you to either link out to a specific element on your website, such as a page, an opt-in form, for example, or even an anchor. Now, to add a link, you want to scroll to the bottom of the site menu and click on Add a Link. Okay, and clicking on this button is actually going to bring up the submenu, what do you want to link to, and you can see that there are a ton of different options here. So for example, if you wanted to link to an external website, you could click on web address and then paste in the website. So for example, if I wanted to link out to thesportsnetwork.ca, I could put in that URL, and I could also choose how does this open in a new window or the current window, and I can go ahead and click done. Okay, and you can see here that that new link has been added, and I'll just go ahead and call this TSN, and I'll click done, and I will close this menu item and go ahead and preview this. So now when I hover over best products, you can see Microsoft, which is a page on the site, and TSN, and if I click that, it's actually going to link out to that external website. Okay. All right, now we'll go back into the editor, and if I wanted to remove that link to an external website or change it, again, I want to click on menus and pages, and I want to click on site menu. Okay, and then I want to come down to that link, and I want to click on the three dots here. And if I wanted to delete this, for example, I could click on the delete button and it would delete it. Or if I wanted to actually change the link and have this element point to some other element on the site or externally, I could click on change link. And again, this is going to bring up that what do you want to link to menu. And again, you can see you have many options here. You can link to pages on the site, anchors. You can link to either the top or the bottom of a page, documents, etc. Now that's it. This was just a quick tutorial showing you how to add a drop-down menu to a Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like it and be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on the latest Wix website builder tutorials. I'm Louis Jacobellis. Thanks for stopping by. Talk soon.